Hi everyone, it's Monday, July 17th. Today was a pretty good day. I didn't record the past, I think, Thursday, Friday, because the days were not much to talk about. I had super small scalps for like eight, literally $8 or like $20, so the price action was kind of challenging. But yeah, back today with a decent trade. Could have been better. It can always be better, but I'll get into everything. So right here is the opening today. Let's see if I can. Here we go. 9:30, and we had kind of an opening drive here, which is right at the print. Okay, we had two ticks below the open, but then we just launched off, right? And we've actually seen this with NQ, I think on Friday, maybe even ES here on Friday. I would have to look, but the problem with, or what can happen with opening drives is, the bulls or buyers. I mean, it could also be a sell opening drive, but the move gets too extended. So we moved like almost 10 points, right? And these are 5-minute candles. So, probably not sustainable. And that's exactly what happened. We pulled back here, and then it looked like there's some poor structure below. And I mean, I'm not quite sure how this can keep going, but, we're still propped up on short positions. It looked like we were heading down, and then we snapped back. So I entered here and moved my stop to break even too soon. And then the problem for the day, so that was fine, break even stop, no worries. The problem here was I was probably too eager to reinitiate, and I bought too early. So you see there's 112 loss there. Stop. Debatable if I should have put the stop either below this candle or, a new low of day. I don't know. So this was a poor execution on my part, but from there, we just trended up all day. So I trimmed, 10 micros, and then I trimmed at various spots on the way up. This was the first one. I think I trimmed, a third, for 60. Is this another third, I believe? Another third for 101. Another third for 165. And then, which took forever to kind of get to. I was hoping to get to the highs of yesterday, and we might still get there. There's like 10 minutes of trading. I don't know where we are right now. I haven't been near my desk. But we had this pullback here, and I set it to the new high of day, hoping we would get up there. Yeah, here we are. So we had a kind of a thin. Looks like we might sell off here. That's kind of been a pattern. We get a kind of overextended move up, and then a sell off here. But I'm done for today. This was nearly $300 win, and I'm looking to actually size up. Into the next few trading days, because, and also maybe not trimming, 3 contracts. If I leave one, like here, I left one runner. Yeah, I mean, winners are great, right? $86, but when I'm trying to get to 3,000, at that rate, okay, it's actually not that bad, right? Like a 300 days is 10 days, but who's to say I can get $300 every day? I mean, with this size. So I will review my risk, and also like scaling in and scaling out. And I still have to improve my entries. I sometimes I feel like I set the stop too close, and I stop myself out. If I didn't, to be honest, this original entry here, if I didn't get stopped out, right? If I had just put 2 ticks more, this would have been a $400 day, right? Or maybe nearly 500. But yeah, that's the way it goes. So I have to look at that maybe run some permutations on, okay, what's statistically better, doing a third, doing a fourth scale out, and at what levels, right? So yeah, this is stuff I have to look into, and this is quite interesting. Right now we have some negative delta here, but price is not reflecting. I'm wondering if we go up. I have to look in general. I'm kind of perplexed. I don't know if I think this is historical. I don't know if we've ever rallied with interest rates increasing at the rate they have. I think this has never happened in the stock market. So, not saying at all that this bullish trend will continue, but it's just astounding that we can continue to go up when macro is. I mean, macro is good, but the actual monetary conditions with high interest rate usually are not conducive to this kind of action. So, all in all, good day. And yep, if I make trades tomorrow, expect another video for Tuesday. All right, cheers, everyone.